everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury. Hope each and every one of you are safe and healthy no matter where you are. I am here with an unboxing for Queenacraft. I am so excited, and I wanted to share with you what I got for my design team package. And do not forget to follow the link below, and if you will use my code, which is Diane, you will save 10% on your next order. I would truly appreciate it. So let's get in here and let's see what I've got to play with. I'm so excited. They always pack everything so nice. So nice. I want you to look at, oh, they got new bags. Oh my goodness. Look at these. Look at these bags that they can come in. Oh, look how awesome these are. Oh my word. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness. I have got so many fun things to play with, guys. I'm so excited. I don't know where to begin. Alrighty. We are going to start with, I have not played with embossing folders in a long time, and I kind of want to. I kind of would like to play with some embossing folders, and they've got tons to choose from. And this is the Gear embossing folder, and this one is the heart. It's called a double heart embossing folders. There is so many different things that we can use these for, and you know me with my steampunk, I had to get the Gear ones. So let me show you. And then I'll show you what I'll do is I will show you how to use them and what we can do with them. And see, you put the paper in there, you run it through your die cutting machine, and then what it does is it puts this embossed on your paper. Super cool. I'm so excited. So this is the Gear and the double heart embossing folders. We may even play with some ink in there too. So super cute. And let's see here. I got, let's see, this one here. This is called the Ballet Dancer die. And I thought this would be super cute to make a tag out of. Look how pretty she is, guys. Let me get my ruler here. It is 2 1/8 by 3 1/8. That is a good size die. Super excited about that. Super excited. And I think these are 5 by 7, or this is like almost 4 1/4 by little over 5 3/4. So that's how big the embossing folders are. So this is the Ballerina Dancer die. Talking about cute, I've done got an idea for that. And here is a note paper. And guys, I will leave the link to all of these products down below for you. That is super cute. Thank you so much. Love that. I will use it. And they always send a card that says after service, and it just tells you thanks for supporting them. And guys, you can use this on cards or your junk journals. And look, it says a gift for you. Look at this little notepad. It says the king of the house. Look how cute. I love that with that little dog. Thank you, thank you. And I've seen this, and look at the bag. Guys, you can reuse these bags. Look how pretty that is. I love the bag. Okay, sorry. This is going to be a long video if I don't stop talking about the bags. Okay, this is the spider die. And I wanted this for Halloween for next year, but you never know. You'll probably, you know me, I always do Halloween year round. And it is, let's see, 2 5/8 by 3 1/8. Look how pretty that is. Talking about cute on a memory dex card, a tag, an Easter, or not Easter, a Halloween card. Love that. So that is the spider die. And guys, look how pretty the bag is. Okay, let's go. Quit, bye. Quit. All right. This is, look how pretty this is. This is called the Moon Cat Dies. Look how cute. It's got these cats. You've got these cats on the moon, and then it's got these little paw prints. Stinking cute. This one is right at 3.5 by 2.5. Super cute, guys. I love it. I can't wait to play with that one. So this one's the Moon Cat die. And this right here, I thought, you know what? If I'm going to do some embossing, then I am going to do some stamping also. And this is the brick stamp. Look how pretty that is, guys. If you do mixed media, this will be super fun to play with. Look at that stamp. Is that not gorgeous? What'd I do with, oh, here it is. I'm a little scatterbrained tonight. This is 4 inches by 4 inches, so that is a good size stamp. We're going to do some mixed media with this. Yes, we are. All right. And then this is a happy birthday die. Look how pretty that is. It's got flowers right here, all in the corners and all over the die. Look how pretty that is. Talking about fun to cut out. Okay, this one is 2 3/4 by, say that's the highest point there. 2 3/4 by 1 5/8, I believe. Perfect for little 3x3 cards. Perfect for 3x3 cards. And look at the bag. Yay, I love it. And these are multicolored sunflower imitation pearls. You can put this in flower centers. You can put this in bow centers. Look how pretty those are. Look how shiny. Fun, 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 guys. Love this. And here, love these, are, they're called double sewing thread round dies. Look how pretty these are. Because you know how we have started doing artist trading coins. And I bet, let's see, 2.5. See, there would be all of these different sizes. It goes all the way up to 4 1/8 circle, all the way down to right at 5/8 of a circle, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You get 8 dies, guys. Awesome. I love these. So these are the double sewing thread round dies. So we've got those to play with. And guys, ta-da! These are, I want you to look at all of these charms that I got. Look at the stars and the moon. And it, on this one it says, let me see if I can get it to, just for you. Looky here, guys. I love you to the moon and back. And here is like one that you, this star that's got like a rope knot in it right here. You could use that one for, like if you've done a sea theme. Look at that. Look at that star. Bunch of charms. Aren't these gorgeous? These are so pretty. I love them. Look at, oh, look here, guys. Look at the wand with the star on it. And it looks like they come in like pewter almost. and like a copper. Oh, looky here. Oh my goodness, I love these. Look here. There is a sun and a cloud. And look at this. It's got a little fairy, look, in the moon. And then there is a sun. Oh my goodness. Looky here. There is a moon. Okay, I'm going to have to quit. These are so pretty. Look at that. And it comes with, I believe, it's like 70. So there is a bunch of, there's some little stars. Oh, I love these. These are going to be fun. So these are the alloy charms. And I will leave all the links down below for you guys. Super excited. Make sure I didn't miss any. Guys, we are going to have some fun with all these goodies. And it looks like this is like a little gift. Thank you so much. They've always been so kind to me. And I truly, truly appreciate that. Oh, we're going to have some fun in here too. Here are some stitched square layered dies. Look how pretty those are. Love them. This goes from 3 1/8 all the way to 3/4, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And these are some wooden strips that says handmade, and they're all different shapes. Love them. Ooh, and here are some envelopes. I love these little envelopes. These are perfect. Look at those and those pretty colors. Thank you, thank you. Ooh, some Christmas stickers. Oh, how stinking cute are these. They're flake stickers. These are adorable. Adorable, adorable. We can do Christmas anytime, guys. Well, Queenacraft, thank you so much. I absolutely love my design team package, and I am going to have a ball creating with these, so you guys be on the lookout for my project shares, and we may get our mixed media on, and we're going to play with some embossing folders and make some charms. We just going to have a good old time. So thank you guys so much for hanging with me. I truly appreciate it. And go check out Queenacraft. They've got a lot of different dies and stamps, and I think you would be well pleased with them. So thank you guys so much. May God bless each and every one of you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.